Hello, welcome to Ciclomanias online tutorials, and for today we have just a special craft just for those that are cat lovers. And so if you have your do-it-yourself kit for the cat, today you're gonna have fun putting together your little cat. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, my cat lovers, so you notice that when you purchase your do-it-yourself kit, you have two set of instructions, one with all the shapes that you have in your package and the other one with the cat how it's going to look like your cat at the end. So I will also recommend that you have at hand to put together your cat white glue and also a brush just to put together the glue when you put it in the cardboard, the pieces, and just few clips. This will be also very helpful to have. And if you have pliers, will help you a lot, and especially when we put the wire. This is just wire, and when we go to that step, I will recommend you to have an adult help you with that. And so let's start. So you see here the body of our body is the letter A. So the body has a folding line. So here I will ask you to be careful to don't break the cardboard. So there is a play, like you see the folding, so you just try to be very gentle and press that. So that's the body, and that's gonna be our main piece. So the second one is the legs of the cat. So these are piece B and C, and so we put each of your legs and a little bit of glue. And here is where your clips have a relevant role. So make sure you press and you use the clips just to help you hold the pieces together. Well, you can continue doing the same on the other side. So these I already did it. So these are two glue. So I can start then putting one of the legs on one side. And something that I also will ask you to look is we want them to be aligned. So what do you mean by aligned? So we want your cat to actually be sitting, right? And in order for you to have your cat sitting, you need to have it just fold the body and just see, okay, it is aligned with this back here. So you see it here aligned. And then this is aligned with the other leg, so like this. You can just do it actually by gluing and putting it together and sitting into the base, so something like this. Here, because it's too thick, we cannot put a clip, but what we can do is just wait and do the same on the other side. Like this. Press in all directions. Like this, and you see that's a line here, a line here. So we have the bottom of our cat already built. So now we're gonna work with the head. So with the head, we have letter E, and we have it 3 times. So I already glued these two. So we're gonna work then with the head. So I have the third piece, which is this, the face of your cat. So we do glue. And with the brush, it's always good to have it because make sure that you don't put a lot of liquid, a lot of glue. One of the worst enemies of cardboard is liquid, so you want to prevent as much as possible too much water into your pieces. And then we have F with actually the cheeks of your cat, which will be piece Y. So we just glue these two. Do this process, and then finally the cute little nose. Of your kit. And this will be the back of the head. Like this. Align. Do the same with the face. Try to press as much as possible, so make sure it's glue. Okay, so then finally we have this piece, which is like the belly of your cat, that is gonna actually put together your main body of the cat and will connect the face and the head. So it doesn't matter actually if it actually gets a little bit out of the edge of this piece. So you just want to actually give a little bit of volume to the whole body. So just do it like that. The other thing that we are gonna do, and that you also have in your package, is a piece of wire. So this wire is what I said that you will need an adult to help you. And why? Well, because we need to use the pliers. And you notice that I actually already marked here, but in your package is going to be also marked. So these two places in where your wire is going to be connected like this. So this is very important because it's how you're going to be connecting actually the body with the face, like this. You can do it manually, like I'm doing it right now. But for someone that is not so familiar with the use of wire, you can always just use it like this. Your pliers here, and just press so it fits like this. That's the only function of your pliers. So if you have it at hand, just make sure that the wire gets hidden in the cardboard. And then the rest of the wire is gonna be actually here. And that's it. So then is when you need to actually, just to make sure, so you put this, and then the belly. Make sure you put also here in the center. Then the belly. Press. And it should look like this at the end. Then you have your one more member of the family, little cat made of cardboard. Well, I hope you enjoy putting together your little cat. And if you have any questions or any feedback, please feel free to add it here in the chart below our video. And if you're happy with also your cardboard cat, please share it on social media. We're very active on social media. We have Instagram and also Facebook using hashtag Ciclomanias. And if you want to get also some ideas on how to paint it and also how to make other kind of toys out of corrugated cardboard, please take a look at our website, ciclomanias.com, and all the information is also in the description of this video. So thank you so much for watching.